You've all seen the jaw-dropping 4K gaming setups. You've heard the prices, the price tags that make your wallet scream. But what if I told you that ultra-high resolution gaming doesn't have to cost you a fortune? Today, I'm showing you how to build the cheapest 4K gaming rig that actually delivers. No overpriced parts, no gimmicks, just pure gaming power on a budget. We're talking smart shopping, hidden hardware gems, and bang for your buck performance that will make those overpriced builds jealous. Whether you are a hardcore gamer or just looking to future-proof your setup without draining your bank account, this is the build that you need to see. Building a gaming PC on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing power, especially when aiming for 4K gaming. Today, I'm breaking down the parts for the ultimate budget-friendly 4K build that won't leave your wallet crying. First up, the CPU. We're going with the AMD Ryzen 5 5600, a solid 6-core, 12-thread processor that delivers great performance at an incredible price. It handles gaming and multitasking effortlessly, making it a killer choice for this build. Now, the heart of the build, the graphics card. The AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT is an absolute gem for budget conscious gamers who want smooth 4K gameplay without spending a fortune. With 12 gigabytes of VRAM and excellent performance in modern titles, this card punches well above its price tag. Next, we've got 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. More than enough for gaming at high resolutions. This ensures smooth performance without bottlenecks, whether you're playing AAA games or handling background tasks.
Come out in some sort of cavern. There are signs that people have been here.
For storage, we're going with a 1TB NVMe SSD. Blazing fast speeds mean quick boot time and snappy game loading and a seamless experience all around. No more waiting, just an instant action. Holding everything together is our AM4 motherboard, a reliable, feature-packed board that supports PCIe 4.0. This means faster data transfer and future-proofing without breaking the bank. Powering it all is a 650-watt, 80-plus bronze PSU. Efficient, reliable, and with enough headroom for upgrades. This keeps your system running smooth and stable. And there you have it, the cheapest 4K gaming PC build that actually performs, with smart component choices and optimized settings. You're ready for ultra high resolution gaming without overspending. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now let's game on.